All right. Here is part two to the video on how to configure your Empower Network CNAME record so that your blogging on the Empower Network viral blogging site show on your personal domain. If you follow the steps in video one, you should be all set to go. But the final step here is to make sure that whether or not people get to your site using a www or not, they will get your blogging site. So currently, just following the steps in video one, they'll be able to get to you by putting in www in front of your domain name, and they'll see the blogging. If they don't use it, what they'll end up with is a generic GoDaddy site or Namecheap site, um, as opposed to the blog site. So you want to be able to accommodate both types of people that put in the www and those that don't. Okay. Now, again, I'm going to do it on GoDaddy. You're going to do it similarly on your Namecheap, whatever hosting that you're using. So what you see here is you go into domains and you look for forwarding. Now I've already done it, so I'm not going to undo it. I'm just going to show you what I did. You go into forwarding. Now my domain is thevicman.com. Okay. What you want to do is you want to add forwarding to http://www.thevicman.com. Obviously, you're going to put in www. Your domain that you've registered. Okay, and I do forward only here, and then you would save it. Okay, now prior to me doing this, the forward was blank. So when I went into when I clicked on forwarding, there was nothing here. There was no forwarding. So I went into forwarding, and again, if you're doing this on Namecheap or some other site that you've registered your domain, you're going to go to where it's the forwarding. You go to manage, and you add your domain site with the www dot in front of it. So it's http:// www, and then your domain name. You click save, and you're done. And pretty much instantly now, now instantly means under an hour, you should be able to get to the same blogging site that gets populated from your Empower Network blog, whether you put in www or not in front of your domain. So just to kind of show you, I'll go to thevicman.com. Okay, that's my blogging site. And I'll go to www.thevicman.com, and it brings me to the same site with or without the www. And you should have the same results on yours by following that simple domain forwarding step. Okay, so hopefully that helped, and we'll see you on the next video.